Hi, in this last video on the campaign creation process, I will show you how to publish your campaign. So as you can see, all four menus in the campaign creation process are highlighted in green, which means that you have provided all the information necessary to be able to publish your campaign. Then the button of Publish Campaign will become clickable, and you can determine which amount of media budget you would like to add to your campaign. As you can see, there are some different options here, but it's good to know that the average daily spend of your campaign will be about 50 euros. So you can use that to determine how much budget you want based on how long you want the campaign to run. You can always decide to add more budget to the campaign later on, or even pause the campaign before the entire budget is spent. For example, when you already hired one of the candidates, and then the leftover budget, you can always use that for another campaign. So let's say we want to start with 800 euros. We select that option here, and then you have three options for selecting the source of your advertising budget. You can select your account balance, which is a new feature in our software, and you can top up your account balance once or as many times as you like, but you start with topping up a certain amount of budget, and then you can keep assigning that budget from the balance to different vacancies as long as there's still budget left on the balance. Then there's also the option to use a credit card, and you can do so for each vacancy or campaign top up, and then you will be able to immediately do the payment through the credit card payment environment. So you can select that here. If that's not an option for you, you can also choose to do a bank transfer. Then you will generate an invoice, and the invoice is being sent to you. And you will also be able to download it from your account. And once you have paid the invoice, the budget will be released to the vacancy, and then your campaign will go live. The fastest option is to use credit card, or if there's already advertising budget on your account balance, you can select budgets to come from that balance to this specific campaign. Once we publish, the campaign will launch as soon as possible, and it could take a few minutes before everything is live, but it happens almost instantaneously. And it's good to know if you want to make any change after you have published the campaign, for example, to the advertising or the vacancy page or the application form, you have quite some flexibility to do so. And you can also do it very instantaneously. So any changes you will make will update and be synchronized to the different advertising channels, or also the vacancy page in an instant. All right, that's it for the campaign creation process. If you have any further questions or would like to know more about creating campaigns, feel free to reach out to us through the Help Center or take a look at one of the help articles. All right, see you in the next video.